Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Alternative Investments. Which category best describes the intangible asset of brand recognition and customer base from an acquisition? A. Private capital, as it represents an equity-like interest in the company's overall value and future earnings. B. A real asset, specifically an intangible asset such as goodwill, given its non-physical nature and contribution to the company's economic value. C. Infrastructure, as it signifies a foundational and long-lived element critical to the company's operational success and market position. D. None of the above. Answer is B. A real asset, specifically an intangible asset such as goodwill, given its non-physical nature and contribution to the company's economic value. What is the estimated property value using direct capitalization with given income, expenses, and cap rate? A. $23,333,333. B. $16,666,667. C. $20 million. D. None of the above. Answer is C. $20 million. Which assumption is most critical to vary in early-stage venture capital scenario analysis? A. The risk-free rate used in the discount rate. B. The management fee structure of the venture capital fund. C. The expected terminal value multiple at the point of exit. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. The expected terminal value multiple at the point of exit. When is Monte Carlo simulation preferred for risk assessment in alternative investments? A. When returns are normally distributed. B. For complex, nonlinear payoff characteristics. C. Primarily for exposures to interest rate risk. D. None of the above. Answer is B. For complex, nonlinear payoff characteristics. Which statement correctly characterizes private capital investment suitability for two different companies? A. Both are suitable for venture capital regardless of current life cycle. B. Opportunity 1 fits venture capital, Opportunity 2 fits broader private equity. C. Opportunity 1 fits broader private equity, Opportunity 2 fits venture capital. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Opportunity 1 fits broader private equity, Opportunity 2 fits venture capital. Why does private capital enhance diversification when added to public stocks and bonds? A. Historically low correlation with traditional assets. B. Requirement for specialized management knowledge. C. Use of varied exit strategies to maximize returns. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Historically low correlation with traditional assets. What likely describes valuation and liquidity of mortgage-backed securities during market stress? A. Easy liquidation due to flexible mandates. B. Opaque valuation and complex, time-consuming unwinding. C. Increased demand and higher prices as flight to safety assets. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Opaque valuation and complex, time-consuming unwinding. What challenge arises if cryptocurrencies become widespread as national medium of exchange? A. A lack of fundamental value causes high volatility and unstable store of value. B. Universal acceptance complicates national monetary policy. C. Central intermediaries increase costs and slow transactions. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. A lack of fundamental value causes high volatility and unstable store of value. Market prices of commodities are primarily established by the interaction of what? A. Supply and demand dynamics. B. Regulatory mandates and investor sentiment. C. Historical price trend and algorithmic trading. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Supply and demand dynamics. What is a key challenge in valuing many alternative investments? A. High liquidity and active secondary markets. B. Limited need for specialized expertise. C. Reliance on models and subjective assessments. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Reliance on models and subjective assessments. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, please subscribe to BISP Trainings.